Hey Glams, it's your host again, Detangling with the Glam Life, where I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. I'm back here with another grease video. This one is going to be showcasing the Softee and the Indian Hemp. As you all see, I have dove in this product tremendously. It's one of my mini greases that I've just added to my arsenal. And basically, I'm trying to get at least another 2 more days out of this twist out that I've done. And I have been using the Softee Indian Hemp to maintain it. Some of the benefits of the product is that it says a light, non-greasy hair treatment enriched with lanolin, natural Indian hemp, and a blend of natural herbal and essential oils along with vitamin E to help maintain maximum hair growth. A blend of the finest ingredients for the treatment of dry hair, or damaged hair, or processed hair, and it provides a gloss to brittle, dry hair for natural softness and manageability. Now, you know my thoughts on grease. Grease is not a conditioner. It's more so acts as a sealant. And I'm just going to be showcasing this conditioner right here. This is in the Tresemme Moisture Rich conditioner. I got a pretty large bottle. One of the benefits I do like about this is that it does have a very convenient pump versus, you know, most conditioners you pour. So I do like the pump, and it's a very generous amount. So this is my staple go-to conditioner. This is a rinse out, but I use this as a leave-in. So I know I had some viewers like Miss Hutchinson asked about what conditioners do I use in my hair. This is one of my staple go-to conditioners. I'm going to be coming out with a video as well as the different conditioners that I use on my hair. So without further ado, as you all know, I pretty much maintain my hair using a twist out, and I'm trying to get another 2 to 3 days from it because just haven't found the time to really just to wash my hair. So I'm just going through and just applying the hair grease down my hair shaft and getting pretty much ready for bed. Comment below on some of your ways that you get ready for it's like doing your hair. What is some of your nighttime routines? The twisting method, it can be time consuming if you're not used to it, but it's something that I've been doing for quite some time, and it just has worked tremendously for me. So I'm just going to continue with using that method. Now, I am going to be coming out with a lymph retention series starting in the next week or so. So please look out for that upcoming video. And my argument is going to be with basically hair grease, conditioner, and vitamins that you're able to achieve some form of lymph retention and some form of hair growth. So stay tuned for that. I do have a model that I believe that all hair grows, no matter what nationality you are. I know here in the African American culture, we believe that black hair does not grow. And I just want to dispel that myth and say that, yes, our hair does grow. As you all may have seen, there are several YouTubers out there that have retained amazing length as a result of, you know, them doing certain tips and techniques on how to retain the length. One of the ways that has helped me retain length tremendously is with the hair greases, as it helps seal in the moisture. Now, some of the tips that I would recommend on hair growth is, number one, know your hair. What may work for one person may not necessarily work for you. So you do have to know your hair. So that is key number one right there. Key number two, have realistic expectations. We want to have, you know, basically very short hair, you know, bob length short hair, and then 2 months later we want hair Pocahontas length, and that's just unrealistic expectations. You have to be consistent in all that you do and log those and blog those results. As you see, all hair grows anywhere from ½ inch a month on up to 2 to 3 inches every 2 months, depending on, it's just whether or not your hair can pretty much retain this length. And I'm loving this hair grease. G.L.A.M.s, as you know, I pretty much love all the hair greases that I do use. It's helped me go in and just get in to some of these twists and get out some of the shed hair that I do have that's in. So I am, like I stated before, going to be starting a lymph retention series on what I have used to help my hair grow tremendously. And I pray that you all will continue to follow along. Thank you once again for the ones that have believed in this channel. Your support, you watching, you liking, and you commenting it really has helped me out tremendously. It's just I just want to create a way of how I do things and hopefully shed some inspiration and light to what I have done for as growing my hair. Now, I'm not a big politics type person, but as you all know that we do have the November elections growing coming up. Please exercise your right to vote, G.L.A.M.s. We are in some critical times now. I'm neither a supporter of the Republican or the Democratic Party. I don't support either. I support the party that supports my views. But I do encourage you to go out and vote, especially as African Americans. I know that's pretty much the majority of the subscribers that are on my channel are African American. Please go exercise that right that was given. Again, as a disclaimer, I am not endorsing any party or anyone. I'm just wanting you to exercise that right to go and be a voice. Be the voice of change. Be that voice. Don't just sit back and let this next election just float on by without you exercising the right that your ancestors, I must say, have fought so desperately for. I feel this generation now has really lost the awareness, I must say, and the zeal that our ancestors once portrayed. A lot of things that we take for granted, our ancestors died for. And like for the right to vote, I remember there was a time when the elections came up and I was encouraging some of my friends I went to college with to go vote, and they was kind of dumbfounded as to they didn't even know it was election time. And we're at a time now, especially at the state of this country, and with all the stuff that's going on, that we cannot afford not to have our voices heard. Again, I'm neither endorsing neither Republican nor Democrat. I represent no party. Matter of fact, you all know what I stand for. I represent Christ in everything that I do. So I just want everyone to exercise that right. Don't sit back and talk about the problem, but yet you're not going to be about the change. Oftentimes, I feel that's what society does. We love to talk and we love to do different things, but yet we don't do anything to bring forth the change that is needed. We sit back idly, we sit back silent. We don't express in a Christian way, that is, what needs to be expressed. So again, just want to put that disclaimer out there. I don't endorse any party. However, I do want you to exercise that right that your ancestors have fought for. But without further ado, as you all see, I'm just pretty much gliding right through. I love this Indian hemp hair grease. Comparably to my Blue Magic hair grease, I'm gonna probably do a video with that. As you all know, the Blue Magic products are a little bit more heavier than the Softee products. And so if you are new and wanting to experiment with the hair greases and you're not looking for something heavy, I would recommend you just go and stick with more of a lighter, lightweight hair grease, such as the Softee. And as you all see, I'm just taking a small amount, applying it on the ends and just working it down the hair shaft, working it way through and just getting out any shed hair. Because like you all know, I retwist every night. So sometimes I don't get out all the shed hair. Sometimes I do. But when I when I do go in and get it out, I'm amazed at the shed hair that does come out. So that's one of the benefits I do like about the grease. It helps get out all the shed hair. All right. next section. And another thing, we are in October, and down here in the South, my God, it's like we still in the middle of June. I'm like, when is fall officially going to get here? I'm ready to start wearing my nice boots, my beautiful sweaters, drinking my nice hot lattes, my coffees, and I'm going outside, and I still need a slushy or a frosty because it is still 90 something degrees this way. I live in South Carolina, so as you all know, it's just hot in the South, but my God, it's October and we are still going through like we're in the middle of the summer. So this is pretty much all I have for you all today, G.L.A.M.s. I'm just gonna pretty much just go through the rest of my hair and finish with the detangling. But the takeaway from this video that I want you all to get is, number one, shout out to my Softee people with the Indian Hemp. I love the Softee hair products. Excellent products. So this is another grease I'm going to be adding to my arsenal. And this Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. It is excellent with getting the extra moisture in there. It has amazing slip. And I also use it as a rinse out as well as a leave-in. Love the shampoo. Being that I do use the mineral oils and the petrolatum, I do like the Tresemme line because it does have the cones and the sulfates in there to get all that product out. And without further ado, this is pretty much it. Once again, thank you all for watching. If you are new, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. All right, G.L.A.M.s, be blessed and be glamorous.